I got an email from this guy, and he said that he ordered some SWRNC DIY Auto School merchandise, and he was very upset and he was pissed off because when he got the merchandise, it was basically like this, blank T-shirts. He ordered a large T-shirt and they sent him a small one. That did have a print on it. That did have my artwork on the T-shirt. And then he ordered several other T-shirts and they came in and they were blank. He contacted this company and they never got back with him on it. Now, this company is printing my artwork illegally. Let me go ahead and get the camera and we're going to take a look at this fucking website they got. So here's the people right here. You can see they got a nice, juicy, fancy situation going on. And just T-shirts galore, just all kinds of stuff. You can see this. And here's all their information right here. Now it says that they're in California right here. Okay, they're the people that's made the website. I don't know what it is. They say they're in California, but on the other hand, when you go to contact, this is the address that pops up. And then they got this address here with this phone number. I think everybody should call them and tell them to go fuck off myself. I don't even know how they got it. I don't know how they got it, but here's the email I got. And here is the where they are selling my stuff. This is where they are selling. You can see it says AWARPLUS, and they are selling my merchandise. They are selling it right here. It's called Southwest Rod and Custom Official Long Sleeve Shirt AWARPLUS. Okay, so we're going to go to here, and then we're going to try to find this. Okay, here it is right here. Here we go. Here it is right here. All right. So here they are. Look what they're doing here. They are selling my artwork. They are selling my artwork, and I am going to contact somebody about this. This is total fucking bullshit that they are selling my artwork. Check this Southwest Rod Custom Official Long Sleeve AWARPLUS. High quality products with perfect design is available in Spectrum colors. Happy Independence, India Freedom, India Flag T-shirt AWARPLUS. This is fucking bullshit, people. Total bullshit. They say they're in California. I'm speculating they aren't going to answer the phone, but we're going to try to call them and see what they say. And I'm going to be honest with you. Once I start talking to them, I'm not going to be surprised if they actually just hang up on me and tell me to fuck off. So we're going to go ahead and call these people.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service. If you feel you have reached this recording error, please check the number and try your call again.
Do you see that?
Start recording 20969E.
Do you see that? So we can't even call them because the number that they have given us, and I'll go ahead and dial it one more time. Yeah, that's in San Joaquin, California. 559-698-7453. They are out of fucking... there's another scam right there. So this is what I'm going to do. I am going to another thing he said is he tried to return it and they would not accept a return on that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to post this video and then I will email them the video of them selling my product, my designs, my artwork. This is fucking, it's unbelievable. I can't believe this. This is total bullshit. What they're doing, they are going on Teespring. That's where my artwork's actually sold, on Teespring. They're going on Teespring and they are grabbing the images and then they are selling them on their website. Now this is like fucking, it's just unbelievable. This is total trash. Several years ago, I actually had a guy on eBay that was taking my videos on YouTube and he was printing them out because I got a lot of series, like how to paint your car at home. Alright, so I got like 20 videos of in detail how to paint your hot rod car at home. He was taking these video sets, he was making DVDs of them and selling them on eBay. Now I turned them in on eBay And they actually hired a law firm, and they sued this fucking guy for copyright infringements. So these people here, this AWARPLUS, don't anybody order anything from this scumbag company. They're total trash. They're scumbags. If I get a hold of them, we will make a part 2 on this and see the outcome of it. It's ridiculous. Total ridiculousness.
Bitch bastard. Bitch bastard. Bitch bastard. Bastard, bitch, bastard, bitch, bastard, bitch, bastard, bitch, bastard,